I'm going to install these two devices on a vehicle and on my boat. I have a parasitic drain issue, primarily on the pontoon, and that's caused by a bilge pump that is malfunctioning and won't shut off. But I'll demonstrate the installation on a 1986 Isuzu Trooper battery. The way this works is this is two pieces of metal, brass I think, that are separated with a conductive material like a gasket and pinched together. When the two pieces are screwed together, then you have continuity between the two. And all you have to do to break that is, per the directions, unscrew it a quarter of a turn, and that leaves a gap. There's the engine compartment for the Isuzu Trooper. I'm going to disconnect the negative terminal. I've installed the negative terminal onto the switch. I had to spread these apart just a little bit to make sure that it would seat real well. I placed the switch onto the negative terminal. This is not completely snugged down, just in case I need to make any adjustments, so it's not completely tight yet. So that looks like it will still work without putting any kind of weird pressure on the cable. So I'll tighten these down. All right, so everything is installed and tightened now. So when you want continuity, then you'll just tighten it. You'll leave that tightened. And then if you have a parasitic drain issue, then what you want to do, per the directions, is just loosen that a quarter of a turn. So now you no longer have continuity between the battery and the vehicle. That's about it. I will do this on the pontoon as well. Anyway, I hope this is helpful. Also take note that this does have a nice, pretty American flag inside there. I like that. Take care. Be safe. Please like and subscribe. I hope this is helpful. Take care.